Just for reference, this is the Aoi High Blue in the jar. Here's about half gram for 4 ounces. We're going to do the same thing with the Nokon Blue. We have 4 ounces of inner coat. Here is the Nokon Blue. And we're only going to get a very small amount like that. 4 ounces. Let me mix this. Alright, here's Nokon Blue. It's about half a gram for 4 ounces of inner coat. I don't know if you can see the dust or the overspray. So that's why I'm working on, or what I'm trying to do is put some extractor fans on the back wall. That way I don't have to open the door. Even if I do open the door, like right here, the only thing it does is just create like a vortex right here. So it doesn't really like push any air out. But this back wall, probably make some holes, put some fans aiming towards the back. Here is the fender. Just finished spraying the clear coat on it, and it came out alright. It came out pretty good. Alright guys, so here's the fender. The front half is the Aoi High Blue. The back half is the Nokon Blue. And here they are. I didn't do a straight like cut line. It's just faded, blended in. But personally, I think the Aoi High is a little bit deeper, darker. I used the same amount, half gram, 4 ounces. I sprayed 4 coats even on both of them. And this is the Nokon. This little back end is just, it's just the gate. But you see how when the shadow comes in, it just turns darker. And if you keep walking past it'll turn back into a black color. My phone overheated, so it'll turn. And here is in later in the afternoon to show the color. It all shows even. Not much to see. It's pretty much like just a black base. This is just later on at night inside the garage. I have my flashlight here, but just wanted to show you how just dark it is. And again, just use more pearl if you want more color, but once there is some type of light, that thing is beautiful. This is the Nokon blue, and then over here is the Aoi blue. It's a little dusty, but those colors are beautiful. Very small amount, big effect. Look at that, a little deeper ocean blue. This, I don't know. Leave some comments. Very nice.